How to password protect secondary blog on Tumblr. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Now, password protecting your secondary blog is always a great way to keep your content private, especially if you manage multiple blogs. So let's dive right in. Now, after heading on to tumblr.com and logging into your account, once you're in the dashboard, look to the left hand side where you'll find the account option. Go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down to the blog section. Here you'll see a list of your blogs. Find the secondary blog that you want to add the password to and select it. You'll see something like this on the screen. Now what you can do is go back to your dashboard and then scroll down until you find blog settings. After that, tap on it. This will take you to the settings page for that specific blog. Scroll down a bit until you find the section that says password. You'll see an option to enable password protection. Just toggle it on. Now it's time to enter your password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember, and once you've entered it, press enter on your keyboard to save your changes. And that's it. Your secondary blog is now protected with the password, and now your visitors will need to enter it before accessing your content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I'll see you in the next video.